This is the one prompt that makes ChatGPT actually sound human. Most ChatGPT responses look like this: emojis, M-dashes, a robotic tone, and obvious AI giveaways. To fix this prompt gives clear instruction on what AI should do and what it should never do. It lists which words to avoid, how to format responses, and even makes the AI double check from M-dashes before sending. And if you don't want to paste it every time, just head to Setting, Personalization, Custom Instruction, and drop the prompt there. From now, every reply sounds human by default. Comment human and I will send you full prompt.